Okay, I got another thing kind of like that. Now this is another cleaner. I can't get the damn thing out because I can't use my left arm. That's for cleaning a 1/2-inch pipe on the outside. And you always have to have a tape measure. Harbor Freight, 25 foot. No matter what the name brand is, they all work the same. Okay, and then you gotta need a level. Got a torpedo level. You lay it flat like this, or like this, and it's got an eye. You can see where the level part is. And right now it says we're level. Okay, say your sandcloth, you got nothing left, no more, no moss. Scotch-Brite works awesome on cleaning pipe, copper pipe. You got to take it right off, and you can wash it. Either wash this off or just chuck it. I've probably had this thing in this container, this soldering box for years. Okay, so here is the torch that I use a lot. The Benzomatic TS4000. It's got a built-in igniter in it. The older setups I ran that setup for a long time with a sparker. I find these easier. You got the igniter already in place. It's quite dirty because I used to use this all the time. All right, so I got 2 of these in the box in case one fails. Piece of copper pipe, 1/2 inch. Here's that other. They're calling this a Surefire Benzomatic. And I did put a date on it. I did put my name on it. And let's see here. I got a 6-in-1 screwdriver. Always had it in here. Never know when you need one underneath the house. Maybe for a ground strap. Got a tool to clean that up. And a bottle of nat gas. I believe what the thing was, if I recall, this gets up to 1200 degrees when you're enough to solder. Up to almost, I think you can solder up to 4-inch on this stuff. Copper pipe. Oh, these are cool. Do you have a cutter like this? This is for getting in a wall and you don't have room to swing your cutter. You clamp it down and it's a ratchet. So it ratchets around and everything.